Busy kayo. Hala. Hala kayo.
Ay. Shooting complete.
Hi.
Nag-hi-hi mi ganina ni nagpalo na rin siya. Tingnan ko.
Shooting complete.
Natinga ko nga na pag-hi na ko siya, pag-wait na ko, nako na dayon, nag-off na akong camera. So, mo to share guys. Maka namin, no? Di yun, mga bata, kuntigong banha sa ilahang mga kawan. Magpuyo na lang dahil mo dihatan, makalingkod man gihapon mo diha. Mahigda man kang dool ra magkaya itong biyahe. Di man ta magpalayo kay malit matag notebook ninyo.
Saday?
Paman mo iko ano? Sa panay.
Notebook, polo sa by shore, short uniform, itan. Mag-ilis ang jacket ni mo, di ka mag-jacket, naama isa.
Uniform pasitan?
Naambot na mi diri sa Mr. DIY ang sa ato ang warehouse. Let's go. Let's go. Agad-agad si Ethan.
So guys, sabat na tayo sa DIY. Sabat.
Wala tayo kibalin. Tsaka dagan din ang sinilas. Ay, inaani na lang. Inaani na lang ang mga sinilas niya. Oh, ligon mo buro na.
Ano?
Sure, diri sure. Pangita, sure.
Kani man daw iya daw. Ano daw iya?
Tuwa, nagtuwa. Balik na. What is it? Oh, where are you? Ano day na? Oh, ano?
Para inig-drawing. Baligyan na po na ko sa mga batis. Tipo.
Si Daddy ay magpalit. Sama ingon ni Daddy. Upo siya.
Kanina lang. Ano dyan?
Earphone man. Kung ka man ako dalunggan.
Oh, lalo na.
Nangita na si daddy dali na.
Maya.
Unsa man nimo?
Tama na?
Ahaya. Diri na ya ang counter ya. Si Ethan ang walay bag nga tarong. Sila duha, okay pa to ila duha. Tan, alisa. Magbag pa ka? Man mo nga bag di na.
Kailangan man na sila papilma. Kani, ano na papil sila itan.
Oo.
Bag!
Bi patanaw daw talikod.
Di ba yung pa? Kani, magod.
Gihikot pa na, di man pwede badbadon. Kanina imo.
Bro.
Dili.
Good mo.
Talikod daw.
Sulod na mas bag.
Asa? Kana rin mong paniutohon? Agi. Tubig! Wa ka nang dalag tubig?
Wala.
Wa ka nang dalag tubig lang?
Alitig tubig di ha? Kaya tubig ko. Araw ka lang po lagyan mo.
Thank you. Salamat.
Isa ka bulan giabangan. Isa ka bulan giabangan ang kutsi.
Ito na may pa.
Hello. Oh, isa ka bulan giabangan ang kutsi. Isa ka bulan giabangan ang kutsi. Hello mo sabi kadali. Oh, dili ka uli. Sunod pa bulan makauli. Oh. Kuan.
Balay na mi. Pinananggot ini. Let's go. Let's go down.
No!
Why?
No!
Put mo sa ila. Thank you
Thank you.
for watching our videos.
Yeah.
Okay. Isulod din mo ito. Gamitan ng bag. Ay, tamaki. Ang sobra, ayaw lang. May gamay biya kayo ng bag.
Kuha ha, pagbili ng mga
Kailangan manigaghan.
Kalsal nga.
Asa man akong kulo? Kid, ang na.
Sobra man yung tagduha yung notebook.
Ako, kinsa man yung panyo?
Kuha ng bag.
2, 4, 6, 7, 8. Naratan.
Uy, kailangan kong kunin mo.
Kamu mo rin magpapil-papil ka mo, no? Sila ba yung sure mo? Oh, murag mo rin mo, hanay black.
Pamuntok. Blue.
Ang sobra, ang bitire kay 7 out 8.
Ayaw.
No.
I will need.
Sir, ati man na ni sure, humani mo gamit sure, bitay dito sa bitayanan na mo.
Mutahal.
Nagpalit-palit pa rin na siya, anak.
Si?
Tahal?
Kita.
Kinsa man eh.
Hindi na magpalitan ng pangtulog.
Iman eh. Ikaw nagunit ana ang ping eh. Full science ping.
Oh, kang Rima.
Ay, sa inyo pang dala siguro pa lang.
Ang ko ng isa.
No, unsa dito pa dito.
Sir, tunga si Kevin ani kay pwede na magpatilat.
Ano?
Iyo.
Tan. Ayun, yung lugba si Mahang Kwantan. Anong lugba may kinatimutan? Magkatak na pura niya, Tan.
Ayun, ikata ang kuan sa sudlanan. Ikip kita ang sudlanan.
Ayaw ikon.
Isara kay Sudlanan.
Nadalaon day na ninyo dayon tanan ang lapis niya, mahurot na or kawaton.
Lugba mo yung Sudlanan.
Ako na dalon ng talan. Sa ako na dito ko na.
Kanang gunting, dili ra niyo wala, di man mo gunting sa eskwelahan.
Ang gamit ng siguro. Ayun, ikuan.
Naayos siya.
Sa tong color ni mo caves, 3 caves. Sila kagok imong isa.
Abli sa iya.
So, kaya yellow?
Dili. Yellow. Isa. Para mo ayo.
Sira.
Itong orange. Wala ka ko.
Kung gano'n, iyan ang kabihan pa yun. Wala ka pang magkakaroon ka na.
So, dapat na amoy kuan di ay kung butanganan.
Hindi ako mag-studio na ba? Magnet. Pagnet ka na. Kinsa rin yan eh.
Mention. Aman akong big note. Okay.
Kaya, gamay. Dako, walang dako.
Ayun lang siguro dala tanan daan ang big notebook niya.
No.
Ini magamit ra mo.
Nakamon to kong papel. Yung papel man mihana sa start pero pagkadugayan na wala na yung papel.
Kung gani dili sa high school kay notebook ra mo, big notebook ra mo. So kung di mo magamit ana, ihatag mo sa Kevin. Ayaw ko ani dong, man mo na ibutang. Ayaw kunti nga kay pa kay sudlanan na.
Dini.
Ay ba na masigo.
Oh, you
Oh, napo mong gani.
He don't care.
Dito.
Butang na lang ni daan tanan mo basta ampingan ang gamit nga dili gyud mga wala. Kay
Kawaton.
dili kawaton. Dili mawala. Dili
Ako,
kawaton.
good stay na ako ng bag. Napo mong gani uban din yung.
Aman akong glue.
Balik ka
Di asa man ang lapis.
Oh, ikaw magkita.
Asa man ang lapis. Built. Your dad. Oh, shoot.
Pwede po mo na ibutang-butang sa mong bagtan, mawala na tan.
Wala di ko nagpalit og medyas. Kailangan dito medyas.
Na naman tayo mga medyas niya.
You've been a bad boy.
Para ako daw na yung mga sapatos. Kung okay pa ba na yung mga
Di ko
sapatos.
magsapatos! Bro, sa dad na. Makuha na sama.
Oh, natan. Palit-palit na mo ani nga, di ba na masabutan.
Sino ka? Napagod ka uban. Di lang Another day. Mana? Ya, asa man to? Mana? Mana?
Ang bangtan, kaya rin mo na.
Oh. Bisa ko dili. Mana tan? Bali ara ni mo. Pwede po ninyo ni ipilit to. Asa man ako gunting na.
Tintinini.
Nagpapalit ka.
Nagpalit ka. Kana
Kailangan man. Hugaw kayo.
Palit rata.
Diyos, nauna na ko na yung well style. Hoy, nakuha.
Pagsa. Muna kayo nagpasuko-suko mo ko ganina. Asa-asar ka nag-adto-adto. Kabalo kang namalit ka.
Okay, kuhan man. Gutom.
Bali, parang man pag-ilutom.
Nabuang ni Gud. I don't know why, but it is ano sa mani ay gubaan na ani na bato. Ay maana na tan. Di man magakuan gunting.
Ibo ko sa imo ha. Dali na magkata, dali na. Magkaon na ka? Gosh.
You see that? This doesn't solve anything. This is the way to save everyone. I'm sure if you friend you, she would agree too. I promise, after a few times of dying and coming back, you'll forget it's even happening.
This conversation was over. At the end of the day, I was trying to convince people with days left to live that they don't need to go down this path. Their survival is at stake, so they'll do anything. Alright, so what happens now? When am I getting back?
We'll handle that in a few minutes. Just remember, fighting back will only cause less lives to be saved. If you forgot, your friends like you all of that. I trust they'll come to your senses.
Alright, just hang tight there. We'll have to finish this off. Over before you know it.
So I told myself close, and I was free to wait here until it was my time. The sad part about all of this is that Jared was right. Once everyone gets comfortable with getting new swords every single day, why would anyone want to leave? Which means there's a good chance I'll be stuck here forever. You know, the least they could do is give me a video journal machine to pass the time. This is getting boring.
That wrong.
Hello? Yeah?
I'm gonna break you out.
Oh, wait, you can hear my inner monologue.
Or because you're speaking at that.
Oh, alright, I guess that does make a lot more sense. Wait, am I actually getting out of here?
Alright.
But I'm glad we're out now. Wait, hold on. We have to go back in there. No one even saw anything.
No can do. I just broke you out. There's no way I'm gonna bring you back in.
This is ridiculous. You think people are going to be satisfied with a cutscene that completely skips over all of the interior? Come on, we gotta see.
Look, there's no time for that. The guards will already be looking for you. So that time has passed.
Oh, no, that's so lazy. That's so lazy. Alright, well, you promised we would see the inside. You didn't say how much, I guess. Well, it's time to get back to business. Man, I can't believe you saved me. How did you even find me?
I heard word from the other guards, but chosen was being sent. So I knew you.
Well, alright, looks like you're a guard at level 3 now. But I seriously need to figure out what to do. The guards and Iron Swords are going to be looking for me. And if they catch me with you, then they'll know you're working with me. Also, if I'm gone for too long, something might happen to Tyler. So basically, I need a way to get to the vertical level, which is not for long. But I still don't know what to do. Is there anything the Iron Sword people say about level 4?
Let me think. The only thing the Iron Sword people ran on about is that thing where you must pay respect to the chosen until their swords are placed. If you ask me, I can firmly say you are.
Mana?
Alright, thanks for the added input. Yeah.
Ha? Mana makaligo?
Wait, hold on. What was that part you said at the end? Breaking their swords? What is that?
Ha?
I don't know. Some philosophy they have.
Buho kayo ka?
They think they'll be saved by breaking the
Dili
swords.
manggol.
They'll be saved if they break their swords with the barber stand. But no one has because then we'll die. Okay, that might have been very helpful. Stay safe. I'll see to you around, I guess. I made my way over to the statue of the Chosen One. Oh, you know what? I think it's saying people swing at to pay their respects. And I was like,
Sure, panilig, sure. Kung pwede mag-map, sure.
used to buy things. Maybe this armor stand is used to buy something big. And I mean 250 attacks big. Only someone who can come back to life can risk breaking their sword on this armor stand. Which means whatever this is was meant to be bought by the Chosen One. After what seemed like hours, I finally broke my sword on the armor stand. I didn't see anything happen, but when I turned around, something appeared in the open space of the statue. The ground transformed, showing a square, with only one block missing. I only had a few seconds to figure out what this was, because soon after, the effects of my sword breaking kicked in, and I was back at level 1, not knowing why I just paid 250 attacks to look at a square. I was right, the armor stand was used to buy something, I just didn't know what. I made my way back to the statue, but when I got there, the square that appeared in the ground was gone. If I was gonna have another look at it, I was gonna have to pay 250 attacks again and die, but I didn't have time for that. Luckily, when I was standing on top of the statue, I think I realized what it might mean. The square that appeared in the ground was something that I had seen before, and it was something that was gonna help me rank up to level 4. I went through the red gate and got my golden sword. The reason I recognized what the square was is because I would stare at it every single time I would fall to my death. The pattern that appeared on top of the statue was the same exact pattern as the stone below, except for the fact that the
Sure,
pattern
mabuba na
on
po
top
na
of the
inyo.
statue was missing one block, and I think that was the block I needed to land on. I don't know how this is going to work, but I think what I paid for is the way down to level 4. This could be the key to surviving the drop, or I just paid for absolutely nothing. I did. Even with green and pink, I saw everything in the block that I controlled without any damage. This one Jesus in the block was the key to ranking up to level 4. And I'm the first one to figure it out. This changes everything. We know what civilization. We know we're not tracking her after all. It's just going to take a lot of convincing to prove there is a difference. And if I can't do that, which is likely, I can hopefully at least get the people I care about. Now,
Asa ko ni ko na lang. Dai, naman sa kaday.
And there were no understands here, which begs the question, how am I supposed to rank up to level 5? Well,